Hey, Michael Church, Crawl Space Ninja. Are you thinking about selling your house? Guess what? I've got 6 home renovations that will return the most for you at resale. Stay tuned. Okay, so according to an NBC News affiliate in Denver, Colorado, they came up with a list of the top 6 home renovations that you can do that will return the most at resale. And guess what? None of them will give you your money back. None. So let's go through this, shall we? The number 1 is the garage door replacement. According to this link of this article, which I'll put a link down below so you can read the whole article. All right, the first thing you should do is a garage door replacement. Average cost $3,600, return on the investment $3,520. That's 97% return on your investment. So that apparently is a good deal. Okay, so then we got manufactured stone veneer. I can barely say that, just so you know. Average cost $8,900, return on your investment $8,400, almost 95%. So if you're looking to lose money while getting your house ready for resale, those are the top 2 things that are going to pay back almost as much as you put in. Now, of course, if your garage door is like falling off the track and you got to do what you got to do to sell the house, right? But what I'm concerned about is, why are they telling people to do these renovations if you don't make any money at it? I mean, every DIY show on the channels we watch, it's like, oh, well, you spend $200 and you make $10,000. Well, I don't see any of that in this article. Here's the third one: minor kitchen remodel. First of all, what's a minor kitchen remodel? Is that just replacing the countertops? Anyway, so a minor kitchen remodel is $22,000. That's a minor? What's a major kitchen remodel? 50? Anyway, minor kitchen remodel, $22,000. Return on the average resale is $18,000, which means you'll recoup 80% of that minor kitchen remodel. All right, number 4, deck addition. Okay, so why would you put a deck on your house to sell the house? I'm not sure I understand it. It's not like a major thing. But anyway, that's what they're recommending. Put a new deck on the house for $13,000 and recoup $10,000 back. So far it looks like we're losing, I don't know, about $8,000, $10,000 on our investments that we put in there so far. Number 5, siding replacement. Now, of course, that is huge if you've got water coming through or your windows are leaking. So that's more of a necessity in my book. But to replace the siding just for curb appeal, I'm not sure I understand that, because apparently it costs $16,000 to replace siding and you only get $12,000 back. So that's only a 75% recoup. And lastly, entry door, steel door replacement. I thought wood doors were better, but anyway, steel door, a steel door costs $1,800 and you get $1,300 of that back. So a 74.9% return on your investment. So here's what they're not telling you. Okay, other than maybe the garage door that's fallen off of the track and big old holes in the siding from where you're out there riding your lawnmower and you're flinging rocks at it, I didn't really hear anything that was a necessity. But you know what will keep your house from selling? A bad crawl space, a bad basement, or a home inspector that's really aggressive and goes up in the attic and sees that you have little to no insulation. Okay, those are the kind of remodeling projects you should really focus on if you're going to try to resell your house. So my name is Michael Church with Crawl Space Ninja. We hope you make it a happy and blessed day, and we'll see you later.